Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the class. We are learning about the unit Rain of Love. In that unit, we finished the story Life with Grandfather. Hope you all understood the story and did the given works. Didn't you? Okay. Today we are going to deal with a poem, The Little Boy and the Old Man, which is written by Sheldon Allen. He was a famous American poet. The Little Boy and the Old Man is taken from his book Words Alive. Let's begin the poem, The Little Boy and the Old Man. Get ready with your textbook. Okay. The Little Boy and the Old Man. Said the little boy, sometimes I drop my spoon. Said the little old man, I do that too. The little boy whispered, I wet my pants. I do that too, laughed the little old man. Said the little boy, I often cry. The old man nodded, so do I. But worst of all, said the boy, it seems grown-ups don't pay attention to me. And he felt the warmth of a wrinkled old hand. I know what you mean, said the little old man. The little boy and the old man. It is a simple poem. Okay. Look at the heading of the poem. Look at the heading. What did you understand after reading the poem? What did you understand? Yes, it tells about the similarities between childhood and old age. Did you feel the poem has a conversation between the boy and the old man? Did you feel? Yes, it felt like a conversation. ആര് തമ്മിലുള്ള conversation ആണ്? Conversation between the old man and the little boy. Have you observed your grandparents? നിങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഗ്രാൻഡ് പാരൻസിനെ ഒബ്സർവ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ഉണ്ടോ? If so, you will be able to understand that they are similar to children. They will need the same care as a little child. The poem explains such similarities. അല്ലേ? The poem explains such similarities. Said the little boy, sometimes I drop my spoon. Said the little old man, I do that too. The little boy is telling that he drops his spoon. Then the old man replied, he also drops his spoon. Here, the little boy and the old man drop their spoon. What is the first thing that the boy tells the grandfather? What is the first thing? The little boy is telling that he drops his spoon. Okay. The little boy whispered, I wet my pants. I do that too, laughed the little old man. What is the meaning of the word whispered? Whispered means speak very softly. Okay. Here the boy told that he wet his pants. The boy speak in a very low noise. What he spoke? He wet his pants. Hearing these words, the old man laughed and told, he do that too. Okay. Did you understand? നമ്മൾ വളരെ ചെറിയ കുട്ടികളായിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ് നമ്മുടെ പാൻസും ബെഡോ ഒക്കെ നനയ്ക്കാറില്ലേ? അതേ സിറ്റുവേഷൻ തന്നെയാണ് ഇവിടെ ഏജ്ഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പ്രായമായിട്ടുള്ള ആളുകൾക്കും. Then the next line, said the little boy, I often cry. The old man nodded, so do I. When we observe the small children, we can understand that they will be crying most of the time. Old people also do the same. But worst of all, said the boy, it seems grown-ups don't pay attention to me. And he felt the warmth of a wrinkled old hand. I know what you mean, said the little old man. Finally, the boy complained that grown-ups. What is the meaning of grown-ups? Grown-ups means adult. They don't pay attention to him. മുതിർന്ന ആൾക്കാരെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല? കുട്ടികൾക്ക് വേണ്ടത്ര ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് കൊടുക്കുന്നില്ല. അപ്പം നമ്മുടെ ഓൾഡ് മാനും ആ ഒപ്പീനിയനോട് എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? എഗ്രി ചെയ്തു, അല്ലെ, യോജിച്ചു. Then the old man holds the little boy's hand and he told, what he told? He knows what the little boy actually meant, because the old man also facing the same situation. Both of them facing the same situation. This poem teaches us that the importance of providing individual care and attention to each member of a family. Okay, students, now let us discuss the questions. First question, identify similar activities of the boy and the old man and write them down. What is the meaning of this question? ബോയുടെയും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഓൾഡ് മാൻ്റെയും ഒരേപോലെയുള്ള സിമിലർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ് എന്തെല്ലാമാണ്? ഐ നോ വാട്ട് യു മീൻ. വൈ ഡസ് ദി ഓൾഡ് മാൻ സേ സോ? കുട്ടി എന്താണ് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് ഓൾഡ് മാൻ അറിയാം. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഓൾഡ് മാൻ അങ്ങനെ പറയാനായിട്ട് കാരണം? ഈസ് ദി ലിറ്റിൽ ബോയ് ഓർ ദി ഓൾഡ് മാൻ സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈഡ്? വൈ? ജസ്റ്റിഫൈ യുവർ ആൻസർ. ഇവിടെ ഓൾഡ് മാൻ ആണോ അതോ ലിറ്റിൽ ബോയ്ക്കാണോ കൂടുതൽ സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈഡ്, അല്ലെ, സംതൃപ്തി കിട്ടിയത്? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ്? ജസ്റ്റിഫൈ യുവർ ആൻസർ. ഐ ഹോപ്പ് all of you understood the theme of the poem. Read the poem and complete the works. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye.